Adjusting the film pre-feed will adjust how much bag you have on the front of your product. So once the front edge of the product sees the photo eye, it'll start the film pre-feed timer. So right now I have it start at 0. So the instant that this photo eye sees the front of the product, it'll start the film. The photo eye sees the front of the product and instantly it starts. As you can see, that created about 6 inches of film in the front of the product. So in this video, I have the film pre-feed delay set at 5 seconds. So what this is going to do is it's going to run the product into the seal bar before it starts to film. As you can see, it's pulling the film towards the seal bar. Here we have the pre-feed delay set correctly. What this is going to do is the front edge of the product is going to just about run into the corner of the bag, and the scrap chains are going to start taking off. Here you can see once the front edge gets to the front, the scrap chains start going. In this video, we have the correct set pre-feed delay and bag length timer. So you'll notice that the film will start pretty close to as soon as the product gets to the front of the bag. And the product will stop on the exit conveyor when it's approximately 2 inches away from the side seal bar. We took bag setup off, so the seal head will come down and take it away into the tunnel. So in this video, we're going to talk about the photo eye adjustment. Here you can see the photo eye has a reflector on the back that it sees. This can be adjusted right to left along that reflector. As the new product comes in, if it sees a second one, it'll stop the infeed conveyor. That way it cannot run into the seal head. And usually you want your products to be approximately a foot apart or so to make sure that the photo eye will see the next product.